You are never told to set another goal or to dream a new dream.
Infuse your life with action. Don't wait for it to happen. Make it happen. Make your own future. Make your own hope. Make your own love. And whatever you believe, honor your creator. Not by passively waiting for grace to come down from up on high, but by doing what you can to make grace happen. Yourself right now, right down here now. Always continue the climb. It's possible for you to do whatever you choose. If you first get to know who you are and are willing to work with a power that's greater than ourselves to do it. And motivating people, you have got to engage their minds and their hearts. I motivated the people. I hope by example and perhaps by excitement by having productive ideas to make others feel involved.